Hey everyone, it's Rick. Hey, welcome to Rick Sells Tools. 2 tool hauls for you. Let's go. All right, everybody, here's the first one. Really good packaging. Now, just so you know, this one is already on Rick Sells Tools. I was actually in a coffee shop and I opened up the package and said, I'll just list this right now. I have about $9 for purchase with shipping, everything. I have about $22 into this. So there's the packaging. So everybody, if this is not a full set, it's close to it because I looked on the internet and almost every speed wrench set I could find was a set of 6 or 7. This is 6. So let's go over what we got. Here's the first one. Speed wrench. And the model number, this is it. They're all VA. VA 47856, 5H 47856. And I think a couple of these have been used, and I think 3 or 4 have never been used, but there's the first one. No owner's marks. These are on eBay right now. Rick Sells Tools. Next one. VA 47855, VA 47855, 9/16. This one might have been used a couple times. They're all super clean. 47856 VA. I'm sorry. First one's 47856. This one's 47855. 47855. That's 9/16. Next one is 47854 1/2 inch. 47854 1/2 inch. Next one's 47853, 47853, 7/16. Next one, 47852. See, they're all in succession, so this part's definitely an in-order set. 47852 3/8, 47852 3/8. And this should be, so there is one skip. This is 47850, so I just don't have the 47851. But that's the 5/16. If there is such thing as a 47851, I don't know. So there's one tool haul. Paid $9 for the wrenches at auction, and with shipping and the fee, there's no way I'm into these for more than $21. Here comes the next. Okay, here's the next tool haul. A whole bag of wrenches. Here we go. These are on, I should say, these 3 were on Rick Sells Tools. I listed them and they sold in about 8 hours. These are Blackhawk Armstrong Hexite wrenches, 19 30-seconds by 25 30-seconds. I'd never seen them before and I may never see them again. But there's one, and you can see right there, Blackhawk by Armstrong. So these wrenches right here are already sold. This is Hexite 4727, Blackhawk Armstrong 5/8 by 9/16. 5/8 by 9/16. If you know anything about those wrenches, let me know. I don't know if I'll ever see them again, but let me know what you know about Blackhawk Armstrong Hexite wrenches. This one's 4731A, 7/8 by 3/4, 7/8 by 3/4. Here's a Craftsman 3/4. I listed this one individually. It's a VV 44701, VV 44701. It's on Rick Sells Tools. Just looking, it's been used a few times. This side's been used a little bit more, but it's a nice wrench. VV 44701 3/4 combination wrench. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a really old, I think this one's a lot older. So yeah, this is a This is CI 3/4 inch Craftsman with the long C. With the long C. I hope that's focusing. Craftsman long C, 3/4 inch CI. Does have an owner's mark. I could barely, this is the first time I've even noticed it. Right here's the little owner's mark. Can't really see it. That's an old wrench. I don't even know if I noticed that when I took the pictures. I'll have to check my eBay listing. I'm assuming I did, but we'll see. Here's a really old wrench. This is a Fairmount, made in the USA Fairmount. It's a Fairmount 30, the 34, so it's a Fairmount 34, and the size is 7/8 by 1 1/16. 7/8 by 1 1/16. Here's another one. This is a Snap-on OEX 200, Snap-on OEX 200. It's got a little owner's mark, a little G right there. It's Snap-on. I don't see an owner's stamp on it. It's 5/8 combination wrench. The patent number is 327-3430, 327-3430. I don't see a date stamp on it anywhere. But it's a nice little Snap-on there for you. That's listed on Rick Sells Tools. So is this Thorson 2018C 9/16, used once or twice. It doesn't it looks like it's been used very much. If you like Thorsons, here you go. And this one has a partner, which I'm about to show you. That one has, I think I listed these two together. So this is a 5/8 by 9/16 Thorson. There's a little bit of rust right there. Chrome's coming off a little bit, but the wrench doesn't look like it's been used that much. Interesting. 3018 9/16 by 5/8 Thorson. Double box. Double open end, I'm sorry. Double open end. Here's a Proto 7/16 3021 7/16 by 3/8. 7/16 by 3/8. Here's another one, Proto Professional 1224. This is a 3/4 combination wrench, 1224. Proto Professional combination wrench. All of this is on eBay, Rick Sells Tools. If they're not on there, they will be shortly. Another Proto Professional 9/16 combo wrench, 1218, 1218. This is a master mechanic where if I look it up, I'm pretty sure this is Esco, and they might have even made some Craftsman wrenches. But this one happens to be the 13 millimeter T6113M, T6113M, made in the USA, master mechanic, 13 millimeter, master mechanic. $13 millimeter. Another Snap-on 1/2 inch. Snap-on. Half inch. This is, I don't see a date stamp on this side. 1/2 inch. OEX 16A. In the listing, I'll put the year. I think it's like 1990, but there's the, if you can see it, that's a date stamp. But I'll put it in the ad. It's OEX 16A USA Snap-on. 1/2 inch combination wrench. This is an interesting one. This was dipped. This is not the original handle. I haven't taken the handle off. Whoever buys it can do that. This is a Bluegrass adjustable wrench. Model number 266-10. 266-10. I'm assuming 10 inch adjustable. It was Mike's wrench. Hey Mike, thanks for marking up your wrench. Works fine. Just needs a little cleaning. It's a little stiff, but a little oiling, a little cleaning, a little oiling. So Bluegrass adjustable wrench, 10-inch, model number 266-10. Couple buddies here. This is a Proto Challenger 6116 and Proto Challenger 6114. The top one 1/2 inch, the bottom one 7/16, 6116 and 6114. I'm going to show them individually, it's easier. And here's the 6114. This is an interesting one. This is made in England. It's called a Spear Point AF. Spear Point AF. It's a 1/2 inch by 7/16. Made in England. Spear Point AF. These I know are listed on Rick Sells Tools because I think I listed it last night. Here's another Proto Challenger 6108. That's a little dinky do 1/4 inch. Little 1/4 inch. 4 more. Proto Professional 11/16. Proto Professional 11/16. Number 1222. Number 1222. Proto 11/16. Couple more. This is her brand, 7/16 by 3/8. It looks like the model's number is 1340, 7/16 by 3/8. That's a little dinky do. Hopefully it's focusing. No writing on the back side. Proto Professional 7/16, number 1214, combo wrench, number 1214. Getting the focus is unreal sometimes. Proto Professional offset double box 3/8 by 7/16. The model number is 8160. 3/8 by 7/16, 8160. Last one. SK 1/2 inch by 9/16 BV, 1/2 inch by 9/16 BV. The model number is 0-1618, 0-1618 double open end wrench. That's an SK. Hey guys, that was it. Hey, let me know what your favorite wrench was. If you have any information about these hexites, let me know. I've won hundreds of lots. I have so many videos coming. Please like, subscribe, share. Check out Rick Sells Tools on eBay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.